This is a review of the MulWark metric and English tape measure, part number MLK-53752.
So I'm going to be making a new systems board for the climbing gym that's going to incorporate both SAE measurements and metric measurements. And I think that the best way to do that is going to be with a tape measure that has both of those measurements on it. In the past, I have avoided those types of tape measures, like avoiding COVID-19. So I don't have any of those. So when this problem came up, I needed to go onto Amazon and find one and purchase it. So I've got this tape measure right here. We're gonna do a quick review. I have not opened this up, obviously, just got it in the other day. So I wanted to give you guys a taste or a look at it with me. So open it up in the package. Nothing real fancy about it. Tape measures are a tool. So you wanna have something that functions really well. I don't need a bunch of bells and whistles, but I do wanna have a nice tape measure. This little rubber thing right here is going to bother the heck out of me. I don't even think I want to. I'm gonna cut that off right now. I don't even wanna try to mess with it. There we go. Just made it better. This is a pretty cheap tape measure. Cost me under $15. Has a good pull through right here. There's 3 rivets, and these look like they're pretty well thought out. Measure, say, the table like this versus having a board here and you're pushing this up against it and measuring it. You're gonna get the same mark, or you should, because of this play that's designed right in this. Which is also why you don't slam your tapes closed, okay? Close them nicely so you don't accidentally loosen up these rivets and change that measurement. So actually, as far as having a tape that has both metric and SAE on it, this looks quite nice. You have the breakdown really well, really nice, of your fractions on there. Every other fraction is red or black. I'm really digging that. This feels fairly thick. I don't think I'm gonna have too big of an issue with that. There's 2 magnets on the front of it. You know, for the price, this is feeling like it's a great tape measure. I'm gonna say that this is gonna be Climber Dad approved, but before I do that, we need to build something with it, or at least use it a little bit. First impressions on this tape measure is that it's a win. So if you want to check it out, if you want to try it out yourself before I start building a lot of stuff with it, I'll leave a link for this exact tape measure down in the description below so you can check it out yourself. Look, I'm not exactly sure how this could be useful yet, but it has markings on both sides of the tape.
You can't do this with a low quality tape measure, and no, I'm not using the magnets on the end.
Let's see if we can reach the top of our climbing wall. Oh, there it is! Let's see how strong this magnet is. Hey, whoa, look at that! That's pretty strong. Hey, for the price, I don't think you can beat this tape measure. Thanks for watching the Climber Dad channel. I'll see you next time, right here on Climber Dad.